Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you the best settings for FPS and performance in Sons of the Forest. So go to the options right here, go to the graphics, and right here you can copy my settings. So for the draw distance, it is on high, ambient occlusion ultra low, fog quality ultra low, it can be off. So if you're having FPS problems, make sure to turn it off. For the textures off, shadow quality ultra low. As you can see, you can just pause my video and copy it. And for the features right here, you can pause the video if you need to. And for the style film grain on, this is by default. So in display, make sure it is on max FPS and VSync is disabled. So that's pretty much it, guys. Comment down below for the algorithm and see you in the next one.